Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you a drape that is super easy to do and one that I kind of just made up on the fly. We were going to cut a cake for Xavi and I needed to drape a sari really quickly and I didn't want to do the hanging pallu. So this is a really nice drape for when you want to look put together, structured, but you didn't have time to pre-pleat the pallu and you don't want to hang it. So let's get started. So I'm wearing my Saree Silhouette and the birthday crop top both from tbhuva.com and the ribbon sari. This is a lightweight sari that is super easy to drape, and this is the kind of sari that I would recommend, something that's fluid and light and easy to drape for this particular style. So tuck it in as you would for the nivy drape. And then when you just try to figure out how much of the pallu you need, so you want to take the ends, the pallu end, roughly gather it, and kind of measure on your chest how long you want the ruffle. So I think this is a good length for me. If you want it longer, you could also do it that way, or if you want it a little bit shorter, you can kind of just do it that way. And then what you want to do is so hold it up here still. And then, so this is how much I would need to pleat to. So you just want to take this and tuck it in. So this is how I know at what point I'm going to stop pleating. So take that loop that you have between the two tucks and start pleating. I have a video on my pleating method. You can check that out. Super quick and easy once you get the hang of it. Okay, once you get closer to that tuck, you can stop pleating and stagger the pleats. Okay, so I'm going to take the pleats and pin it to my skirt. I usually do this when I feel like there isn't enough to tuck in and for me to feel secure. And then you want to just take the rest of the sari and roughly pleat it. It does not have to be neat at all whatsoever. It doesn't even have to face a certain way. Okay, so I take it like that and kind of just roughly pleat it. And then take it underneath your top. So all I did was take the pallu end through the bottom of my blouse and brought it out to the neck. And then you can decide what length you'd like this part to be. It could be short, it could be like a little frill, or it could be this length where it pretty much covers the front of my blouse. And that's pretty much it. You can also take the ends and tie around your neck. And it kind of looks like a little scarf.